So how can naturopathic medicine help patients with breast cancer? And it's interesting. I'll get a call every once in a while from a woman who's been just diagnosed with breast cancer, or somebody with another type of cancer, and they ask me, do I work with cancer patients? And I always like to say it depends. And the meaning behind that is, as it stands now, naturopathic medicine is not necessarily a substitute for conventional cancer therapies. So I wanted to make sure to really bring that home. And one of the really important things is that if I'm going to be working with a man or a woman who has been diagnosed with cancer, I will only work with them if they are working with an oncologist at the same time. And the way things work is most, or probably, there's probably no oncologist out there that is going to work with a patient who will not do conventional therapy. And one of the important reasons why I have my patients have a relationship working with an oncologist is that monitoring is so important. And this isn't even just when it comes to cancer, but all conditions that I work with, having proper diagnostic, proper monitoring is really important, specifically as we're doing different therapies. So that's sort of a little bit about that. But then the more important thing is, as a naturopath, one of our big benefits is, one, we can really help with side effects of chemotherapies, radiations, and surgeries. And I'll talk a little bit about that specifically in the beginning. Really working also with nutrition, other factors to really help bring more vitality, improve quality of life during cancer treatment. And then the last piece would be really working on prevention. Both, the unfortunate reality is, even with conventional chemotherapy, radiation, surgery, there is chance of reoccurrence. And then also for women who maybe they have a first-degree relative, or they are concerned or have certain risk factors for breast cancer, there's a lot that we can do to help improve the odds of prevention. Of course, nothing is 100%. I'd also like to make sure that people understand that nothing is 100%.